They're right there. I swear to God, they are.
Who's that?
Crackers.
They jumped in the car now. Your man is a bitch.